Vitex seed, also called Chasteberry, is a seed known for supporting women's reproductive health. It works by influencing the pituitary gland to balance the estrogen and progesterone level naturally. It has been traditionally used to support women fertility because it helps to balance the hormones, it works with the hormones, it helps to reduce prolactin level, which is one of the major infertility challenges that many women are going through. Vitamin seed helps to regulate menstrual cycle. If you are going through irregular period, try Vitex seed. It will help to regulate it. If you're having cyst period as well, try Vitex seed. Also, if you know that you're not ovulating well, you have ovulation challenges, you also need to try Vitex seed. Vitex seed are mostly taken by women because it's mostly for women health. If you know that you have PCOS, you also need to take Vitex seed. If you have family planning after effect, take Vitex seed. Maybe you have gone for family planning and as a result of that, your hormones started behaving the way you don't really understand. You need to take Vitex seed because it will help to restore your hormone and bring it to the normal level. It also helps to reduce menopausal symptoms. Vitex seed as well also helps to control acne like pimples. If you know you have too much pimples and it's caused by hormones, remember the one that is caused by hormones, not all pimple, then take Vitex seed for that. It will help to release it. If you know you are facing prolactin challenges, your upper apple is bringing out milk and they are not breastfeeding any baby, but it's just bringing out milk just like that, take Vitex seed and you will see the work of it. It will stop it and put it to the right order. If you know that you have pains in your upper apple when you are seeing your period, too much pains, take Vitex seed because it will help to control it and put you in the right order. Vitex seed is known for its general fertility support in women. If you know that you want to improve your fertility chances as a woman, it is very very important that you take Vitex seed. Reason because Vitex works with the hormone, and most reason why many women are facing fertility challenges is because of their hormones are not balanced in one way or the other. This one is not in the right order, and the work of Vitex is to go there, go to that particular hormone that has error and begin to correct everything in there and bring it to the normal level. Once the hormone is balanced, that means you're set for conception. So if you're a woman and you're looking for what you can use to balance your hormones, go for Vitex. And one important thing here is that if you're going for Vitex, you should go for original Vitex seed. It is also called Chasteberry. See it, look at this one. This is how original Vitex seed look like. So don't go and get something that is not original. If you take something that is not original, it will not give you the best result. But if you get original one, you get a good result. Look at it. So make sure you get original Vitex seed. You will definitely get a good result. See how you can use it so that it can work for you. When you get this seed called Vitex, blend it together. After blending it to powder, then what you'll be doing is in the morning, early morning, first thing in the morning, you bring the blended Vitex and carry half teaspoon of it
Then boil half glass cup of
and
water.
put it inside it. Allow it to rest for some minutes. Allow it to rest to be warm, not cold. Just take it when it is warm for a better result. Not hot, but not cold, just warm, normal level. Then you take it. In the night after food, that's last thing at night, you do the same and take it. You have to take it for at least 3 months. 3 months. The reason I say 3 months is because some people will just take it for 1 week and they come and say, maybe this didn't work for me." You do not take it the right way. If you take Vitex the right way, it have to work for you. So ensure you take it for up to 3 months. Though some people even before 2 weeks it have already worked for them. 1 month it have already worked for some people. 2 months they are done. But if you know that you are taking your own and you find out that you have not seen the result, continue taking it, make it good 3 months. Let me see why that your hormone will not balance. These have been used traditionally long ago, so it is not something of today. Do it and you too, you will get a good result. Go for original Vitex. Originality matters a lot. Good luck.